Oh my God, hey people, Stephen iFort from iFort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. And I think today's date is the 17th, I think, or the 18th of January. And what do we got today is, I think it's something beautiful. 15th of January. And I hope the New Year's is treating you pretty well. New Zealand, it's been raining for the last couple of weeks. We get a day break and it pees down again. But nevertheless, good old rain. Time to stay indoor and make some babies, I guess. So today's subject, I think, or the video is going to be based on this Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is pretty unique piece of software. And just a bit of cautions before we go any further. This particular account I'm going to show you that I have opened, and I was actually testing it way back 4 months ago, and it's to do with Ethereum mining. Let me take you through to it now. But before we go there, let me show you some settings to be sort of aware of in Trust Wallet that allows you, and I'm sure other wallets also allows you to create wallets within the wallet. So I got 4 wallets here at this point in time, but I'm going to show you one of my first wallet that's got a bit of discrepancy. And if you have joined because I have recommended it, hold your account while I try and clear this matter that's sort of arised. So anyway, let me take you through that. Here we go. I'm going to go into my first wallet, and it's to do with Ethereum mining. Bear with me. I've got to search it because I've got 4 independent wallets at the moment, and each one of them has a different link to access it. Oh, sorry, people. I should have. Now, this will bring up this mining pool. And just recent time, I probably caused the problem because I loaded up another mining pool into the system, and it's probably caused a conflict, and that conflict has caused a bit of dilemma, of course. And my account at this point of time with this particular app, now changed the Ethereum button to BNB, and we'll bring up the app. Still loading. Now, if you have joined, and if you're having a bit of issue with this app, just hold back. As I said, I'm trying to confirm and verify the issue. The issue, as I said, I caused to myself, and it's causing a lot of problem. As you can see down the bottom here with the hash 8, I've got about $225 there, and that's the field money. And down the bottom here, withdrawable, I've got $200 there waiting to be withdrawn. But unfortunately, the account has been locked to a certain degree until I come up with another $100 to pay what they call reactivation fee. The reactivation fee I haven't paid, or have paid one, but I want another one. Now, that's my problem. I got to try and sort that out, and I'm going through the service managers to sort this matter out. But that's my issue. I just wanted to warn you about on that. If you already joined Ethereum mining on your Trust app. However, let's move on. We win some, we lose some, but we're hoping not to lose too many, and that's the name of the game. Now, what's important that I wanted to show you this one, again, I wanted to show you the issues of adding another another wallet inside your Trust wallet. If you wanted to see it again, go up to the top right corner and click on plus. Plus will allow you to go down the bottom here to create a new wallet. Now, this new wallet, it's going to give you new secret phrase 12 words. Now, those words you've got to make sure you keep it in order. In order the numbers that's been allocated to you. Now, keep them safe. I suggest you get yourself a school exercise book and keep all your login details and these secret phrase 12 words in them. So you can always retrieve them in the future if you need to be. Keep that book of yours safe. You don't want it to fall in the wrong hands. Now, once you have done that, then you would have created a new wallet in this category here. And as you can see, I got 4. Now, I'm going to show you something quite unique that I've just joined in my third wallet. I've got no coin in it, but the coin has gone directly to where the link is. And the link is used in the wallet as a trading platform. And this is my first time to get access to it. And hold on, sorry, I got to look for it again. And this is the only hassle you're going to have. Making sure that you know which app is allocated to which wallet. You don't have to do this, of course. I'm just showing you in case you want to keep all your business in one wallet. Was already there in the first place. Sorry. Here we go. Now, this is a short-term trader app, XYZ. Now, sometimes it doesn't load. Go up to the free top button and reload it, and that helps the machine. It's probably congested, of course, because I got 3 different wallets within the system. It's more like having a website. But anyway, here we go. We got some money in the trading wallet, USDT, and this particular app now is used for trading. And this is how simple it is if you know what you're doing. I don't suggest that you do trading yourself, because you will lose money. And most of my trading is done with professional people who knows what they are doing. And I rely on their professionalism and the analytical process to give me the time and date in which product to trade on. I'm just showing you. I'm not going to show you the trading process. I'm just showing you how now trading is allowed in the wallet, which is something new to me. But I am testing it to see how well it goes. So beware if you're going to join it because I'm showing you this video. Just beware. I haven't tested it completely, but I'm more interested in showing you how to set up wallet within your trust wallet. And like I said, I've already got 4 wallets within the wallet here, and they all perform different tasks. Now, the most important one that I wanted to show you was my second wallet. The second wallet, it should have a name on it, but I work off my head and what's there. I've only got $33 USDT in this particular wallet that's operating this mining pool. Okay, now let's go through it to show you how well the app is doing. Now it's not loading, so I'll go up to the top 3 button, press on reload, and of course it does that for me quite easily. Now, if you have joined this trustwork.com, there should be a link down the bottom of my video here on the YouTube video. And while we're talking about video, please subscribe to my YouTube video. I really would appreciate it. I'm trying to reach my 1,000 subscribers so Google can recognize me as probably one of the productive content supplier up into YouTube, because Google owns YouTube, of course. And of course, all you wonderful people, 383 of you so far has subscribed to my video. Thank you so much. I love you. May God bless you. And the reason being, if I make a new video in the future, you're going to get on your site something to say that Stephen has made one of the videos which you'd like to have a look at it. And that helps in that sort of category also, if you like my video. And I hope you don't like my video, but you love my videos. Anyway, let's come back to the Trust Wallet. Now, this particular mining app, liquidity mining app, or the other name I think is DeFi, decentralized financial something. Oh, there's so many words. But this particular one, it's called liquidity mining income. Now, I've joined it a few months now, I think, or just a month ago. It hasn't been up there long. And it's doing what it's supposed to do. Now, it's mining. Let's go to account. And as you can see, I only got $33 there in the wallet balance. And it's already mined $1.10 so far USDT. Now, let me show you how much I have harvested so far from this very small account. Just to give you an idea, my account here was only a small account, of course, $30, I think. But let me show you how much I've already harvested so far from a small account. And bear in mind, okay, there we go. I harvested $1.34, $1, another $1, another $1, and another $1. These are payments that's sort of coming back into the system and preloaded back up onto the $33 that you saw earlier. Hold on, this $33 here. Now this $33 will go up to $34 after I harvest the next lot, and I do this every day. Now that's $30. Now just imagine. Okay, let's work some figures. If I'm collecting, say, $1 every day from $30, let's work some figures out. Get a pen. And if Stephen is harvesting $1 every day from just $30, investment. Okay, let's work the figures. And if say you invested 300, that'd be $10 every day. You'd be harvesting from this machine. Okay, let's say you went up to say 3,000. If you had $3,000 invested in this system, your income every day would be $300. And of course, if you put in $30,000, your income every day would be, of course, $3,000. Oh, sorry, I got you wrong. $100, go back to $3,000, you'd be making $100, and $30,000, you'd be making $1,000 every day. Now, you might think that's crazy, that's nothing. You can make lots more money. Yes, of course you can, trading. But in this particular case, this money of yours is just sitting there working its butt off every single day for you. You know, trading, you got to wait for the signal, you got to wait for the right market sometimes, and it can be a bother. But money's just sitting here and making money? That's got to be crazy if you don't take advantage of it. And I've given you a small example of what it's doing with a small bit of money. All you got to do is add more and more zero to say your total balance, because I only got 30. And if you say $300, every day you come in here and pick up $10. I know, it's just money. How crazy is that? You come here every day without fail and collect your money. And I'm going to show you that process in a moment. But I wanted to give you a sort of a clear indication. This is the example I'm showing before you. My $30 generate about $1, and that's climbing every day. As you can see, the latest one here, it's $1.30. So probably when this number, $33, go up to $34, tomorrow, my income will probably be about $1.40 perhaps. Now, cut to the chase. Let's get back to some numbers again. $30, say $1.50. Okay, let's work something out. $1.50. Now, if it was $300 invested, it'd be $15. Oh, sorry. Yeah, $15. And you just keep climbing that number. And if it was $3,000, your daily income would be $150. And if $30,000 would be $1,500. You'd be collecting from this machine every single day. Now, I'm going to give you the proof. Where we go? Go back. Go into the app, which is Trust. Now, I got $1.10 there. I can harvest right now, but I'll show you how easy it is to take the dollar. Now, that $1.10 is going to be added onto my $33 wallet balance. And that wallet balance is what fuels this harvest machine. Now, all I'm going to do is come down the bottom, put down the numbers that we see up the top there. $0.10064. Okay, now, if that's the case, those two numbers match up. The bottom, what I just loaded up on my redeem all. I could have just redeemed all and it would have shown up there, of course. And press confirm. Once you press confirm, we got a success there. It's been transferred. But of course, all things, it takes a little while before it goes through. Now, as you can see, the changeable up the top here is gone now. That cash that's been offloaded. Now it's offloaded. It's going through the system, and we'll come back into the system again, and we'll show up the amount of money that we have just harvested into the wallet balance. Even though it's sitting down here in redeem all, it has gone through because we saw the success button there that came through. And as you'll notice, that exchangeable, it's already made another 0.0006 USDT. And that's going to keep growing from today to tomorrow. And about this time tomorrow, I'm going to come back and harvest a little bit more. Now, I don't know if we're going to have time, but if we do, we might see this number change. Let me take us back to the main page. And this number here should change any moment. And I'm hoping to show you live that this number, $33.55 will change to the new number that we just harvested a moment ago. So in fact, I'm going to leave it open so we can see it physically. That what I harvested, it's true, it works. But the only difference is that my investment is so small, it's not funny. But of course, if you have a bit of cash, I suggest give it a go and watch your money grow every day while it's just sitting in these systems. And the system, it's called a liquidity mining pool, and it's pretty safe. And again, I can withdraw this amount of money. Okay, it's just come through now. The confirmation has just come up. Now all I've got to do now is see it come through my $33 received. Give it a bit more, few seconds, and it should come through to prove to you that these sort of system is working pretty well. Now, if I wanted to withdraw some of these money, say you've got a substantial amount of investment in there, of course you want to take some out back into your bank account, and it's a pretty simple process. We'll just wait to see if this comes through while we're watching it. I saw confirmation a moment ago. Oh, there we go. It has now gone from $33.55 to $34.65. Now that's given us a little bit more extra now on the mining pool. Now if we go back into the mining pool, we'll see exactly, of course. There we go. It's changed from $33 to $34. Of course, it's only $1, but remember, if your investment was much higher in numbers, then of course you're going to be earning a lot more than what I'm showing you here. Okay, so it's nothing to be shy of, but it is something beautiful to take advantage of because of the beauty of the simplicity of it. So anyway, that's how simple the system is. Oh, sorry, I was going to show you how to harvest some of these back into your main account. Now, I use Binance, so normally I can easily just take some of these. If I had a lot of USDT, of course, that I want to take back to my Binance, I'll just press receive, or sorry, send. Make sure you press the right button. I grab the code from Binance, and it has to be, don't forget, it has to be a USDT BEP network to make sure it goes through. Press maximum, and all your money will go through to the system, back to your crypto bank, and from there you can transfer it to your normal bank account. And that's how easy it is to do. And I have done this too many times, but try and avoid doing too many transactions, because transactions cost money. And that's something that you don't want to use too much transaction, and sort of budget your time and when to send these transfers through, so you're not paying too much money on transfer fees. But anyway, I hope I'm giving you a little bit of idea how to utilize Trust Wallet and how it can perform for you in the future. There's so many liquidity mining pools out there. You just got to choose a good one and go with it, and inject a bit of investment into it. And bear in mind, I've just given you some ideas approximately how much each harvest. And I'm harvesting these every day, as you can see on my results here. That was yesterday. Today on the left side here with on my left side, it says today, yesterday, the 13th, 12th, and it gives you time and table, and everything is recorded, so you can't go wrong. And if you want to track it back and analyze your system, you can certainly do so. But of course, I'm just giving you some idea, and a small investment can, certainly, it's not going to break the bank, of course, but it gives you an idea. You just got to add more onto your bank, to your investment, and you can create a handsome sort of income from here. And you don't have to have it in one wallet. You can have so many wallets producing you all these micro income. And the point is, it's like the word called diversified. And I use the word diversify only because I'm trying to protect my assets and what I have in case one of these companies decided to fold or something happens to them. So at least your money is not all tied up, and they say don't put all your eggs in one basket. And that's probably why you see me having so many accounts, for that fact. If you have only one account, then it could be jeopardized somewhere along the line in the future. I'm not saying it can, but it may happen, just like what has happened to FTX just recently. And that's the problem with having too many eggs in one basket. So diversification, it's a good thing, but choose wisely where you want to diversify and where you want to invest all your money in. But anyway, this is night time, and it's nearly bedtime for me, but I love you guys. And this is Stephen R. from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you, God loves you, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.